with Android resources. In Android, we have two kinds of resources, compiled and uncompiled resources. XML files are known as a compiled resources, whereas raw files are known as a uncompiled resources. So all are layout file, color file, menu file, dimension file, string resources. These all resources are in XML format, so that's why they all are known as a XML file resources or compiled resources. Apart from this, if we want to keep any audio or video inside our application, so we are supposed to create one raw folder inside our res folder, and we will keep our audio or video file inside that, which is again known as a raw resources and will be considered as a uncompiled resources. Now let's talk about string resources. What is the need of string resource? Why do we use string resource? As in Hello World program, we had one message on our emulator. Lastly, when we executed it, that was the Hello World message which was coming here. Now what I want this hello message which is coming here must be in red color. So for that, I can declare Android color property, text color. If you will say Android and control space, you can see many property for your tags. So according to your need, you can imply them. So just say Android color, and here you can go for any value, any color value. You can say, see, in a different color it's coming. Now I want to change this text size. So again we can go for Android text size. You can give it in different format, like I said 20 dp. You can give it in inches also. So see, instead of 20 you make it 30 dp, you make it 30 dp. It becomes like this. Now I'm creating more text view. So on each text view I want hello world, hello world, hello world. So thrice here we are writing hello world. Let's change it to linear layout. So you can see thrice hello world and hello world. Now if later on instead of this hello world I want to say hi world, so what we need to do, we are supposed to make this hi world changes thrice hi world, and then only we'll get our result. Now this thing making your text view more static. The text and the label which we are giving, that is static currently, because instead of 3, if 30 times I am using this particularly text, or somewhere else I want to write hello world, I have to write manually. In that case I must have one kind of the mechanism where I can store this hello world variable, hello world text in a variable, so that I can use that variable in this text view tag. This thing can be happen in Android, and for that we use string resources. So to make your tags more dynamic, your entries more dynamic way, we go for string resources and other resources. So let's talk about this string resource. So if we click on our folder and we have res folder, so all the files for regarding the resource, string resource, color resource, dimension resource, you will find inside values folder. So here already we have string.xml file, What you can do, you can create your own also, or you can use existing one. So we will click on this string resource file. Here you can say already we have one variable which contains hello world. You can change it also to your syntax, or you can create your own variable also. Let's create one. So I'm saying string name of my variable. Okay, message I have given message. Then let's close it. Write your message. Instead of hello world, I won't say hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is message I want to print now. Let's move to the file. Now, as you can see, this is my string resource which I can use. So there is one variable with the name message which contains hello everyone. So instead of writing this hello everyone statically in our text view, we can use that variable. Now let's talk about how to use that variable. So to use any predefined resource, we use @sign. Then you can type the name of the resource. You can see as I'm typing string, so all full variable I'm getting it here. So I want to use mine one, that is message. So if I look at my design, I'll get hello everyone. So now wherever you want to use, you want to write the same text, at that place you can use this @string. Again you will get your variable, just click there. Same here also in this case, @string and name of your variable. That's it. The benefit is that later in future you want to make the changes, so you don't need to make changes separately at each section. Instead of that, at one place you can make that changes. Instead of hello, later on you want to say bye everyone. But before making changes, let's have a look. Everyone, see, everyone it is giving because I have removed it. So let's see if you want to give bye everyone. So just write bye, you will get the bye everyone. So benefit is that this particularly string resource making my tags in more with more dynamics text. So later on in future, in any another layout you want to use this variable, so you have the variable already declared inside your string.xml, which is compiled file. You can use it from there. Now this was about this string resource. Now let's talk about, as I told you, how you will declare string, name of your variable and your text. Next resource we have layout resource also. So in case of layout resource, like here, we have our layout file which is activity main.xml. Same if you want to create one more layout file, you can create that layout file. Just right click here, new, and here you can decide what you want to do. So you want XML values file you want, or layout file you want. If you will say layout, so you can create that layout. What kind of the layout you want to take, linear, relative, so we have different kind of the layout, so you can create them from here. So layout is also, once again, layout is also kind of the resource, and it is used for your UI programming. Basically it contains your all component, the layout. Like in Java, we used to have the frame and panel which were containing our view. Same in case of Android, we have layout resources here, different kind of the layout which contains your component. Bye bye, enjoy your time.